Hi, I'm Vinod. In the previous video, we looked at the digital and analog components that make up a chip. We also saw how transistors form the backbone of the digital system. In this video, we will look at the evolution of the chip over the years. In the 1980s, the chip started entering household in the form of general purpose processors that were present within a personal computer or PC. By general purpose processor, we mean CPUs that are found within a personal computer. During those days, the PCs were desktop computers and people used their PCs at home like a typewriter to create documents and to store them. In the industrial side, people used it for computation purposes. As the decade progressed, the use of chips increased. For example, in the 1990s, the automotive industry started using a number of chips within their cars and other vehicles. With the advent of internet, the use of PCs at home increased. People started using their PCs to communicate using emails. Personal computers in the form of laptops also started becoming popular. Audio-video material like movies, photographs, and songs were digitized, and computers were used by people to view such material. Besides these, PCs were also used to play games. Video processing and graphic processing are data and compute intensive. This meant that to provide a good and realistic experience to users, the processing had to be done quickly, which the CPU was not capable of performing. This led to chip designers planning and designing specific chips for each application. For example, separate chips for video processing, graphic processing, network processing, audio processing, and so on. These chips designed for specific applications are referred to as ASIC or Application-Specific Integrated Circuits. Companies like Dell, HP, and Compaq started purchasing the required chips from different ASIC manufacturers and assembling them to make computers. At the same time, the size of the transistor kept shrinking. This meant that more transistors could be fit into the small area of a chip. Thus, the complex logic that a chip can handle increased. The evolution of the chip got even more interesting in the new century. We will look at this in the coming video. Happy learning.